driving this thing.
How was the tour, guys?
That was cool.
What's your favorite part?
Probably the church.
The church?
The whole thing, I guess.
Whole thing? Mommy, do you have a favorite?
I like seeing the midshipmen walking around.
I know, it's cool. During the last, between classes when they were walking around, I told the kids, I said, do you smell that? This is the smell of freedom. It's so cool. You know, there's so many people that sacrifice for our freedom. And it's pretty amazing to be here and see all these people that have, you know, they're going to school to be able to, you know, some of them have a passion to protect our freedom. Some of them want to get through school. But whatever it is, it's awesome. It's awesome. There's so many people willing to protect our country. This guy is a legend. He's aboard USS Jeanette, and he's trying to get to the North Pole. And at the time, they thought there's just open water. There'd be a Arctic frozen section, and then it'd be open water where the North Pole was. And so they're on an expedition to do that, but most of them ended up dying. And this is some of his personal items, but it's such a fascinating story. So look it up, USS Jeanette.
Just hanging out in the bathroom, huh? Doing some laundry, reading a book, roller skating. The thing about Ruby is always living her best life.
I've had the thought for a long time to kind of almost interview different businesses or just, I don't know. But it's so fun every time I see people just hustling, making things happen. And this is one of those times. All of a sudden we see this U-Haul pull up right in front of Leah. They started pulling off all these workout bikes. Here they all are. Sometime they're going to be doing a spinning class, which is so cool that they worked so hard to unload everything, you know, organized to do it here to promote their business. Very cool. Look at these cute little kids. Emerson just sipping lemonade while he's working.
No, this is water for this.
Oh, okay. So the kids don't know this yet. We just got word. So we're going to leave the boat here in Annapolis to get boat work done. But they can't start until the middle of October. And so we're going to head home within the next couple of days, but we don't have a home that's available. We're doing a couple big remodels and they're not ready. Anyway, I haven't looked at the calendar to see what is and is not ready. So we're not sure what's going to happen over the next couple of days, but we will figure that one out. We are going to come back for the boat show in Annapolis. So we're super excited. I've wanted to for a long time, and now we're finally going to do it. Alright, so we are just getting the boat cleaned up, doing some deep cleaning. Hopefully these guys come back on the boat today, and then hopefully we can find a marina to leave our boat, and then we'll take off on Saturday or Sunday. Maybe Monday, we'll see. So we're super excited to go back home to Utah. Right, Ruby?
Yeah.
What do you have to say?
I'm excited to go back.
It'll be awesome.
Ruby, come tell me why this is the best day ever. Who's this?
Chelsea.
Shotzi. And why is today the best day ever?
Because I get to dog sit her.
Because we're hanging out with Shotzi. We just met Shotzi's mom and dad, and they said, do you want to borrow her? Sure, why not? Yeah. Ruby's dream is to have a dog.
Where are we going?
Black Tap tomorrow night.
Where at?
Las Vegas.
Yeah, there you go. Excited?
So excited. Crazy shake.
So we got everything organized, kind of. We're gonna have to have someone move our boat around the 1st of, so in a couple weeks. And then I and a couple others will come back on the 10th to pull the boat out, do the sail drives, the bottom paint. We have an underwater light that's out, so we need to replace that. Then we can put the boat back in, and then we're doing some other stuff with the electronics. So we're excited to go home. What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm excited.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, are you?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Rubies?
So excited
What are you most excited for?
to do like, we signed up for some like dancing lessons.
Oh yeah. And
Bikes.
the mountain bikes?
Yep.
Ride a dirt bike.
Yeah, dirt bikes. Mommy, a kitchen.
Yes, a fully functional kitchen, because ours has not been on the boat. And a comfortable bed.
And a purple bed.
And hot tub.
And a break from the family.
And a boat that doesn't move.
A little alone time, right? Yeah, you love it.
Wait, what?
I keep thinking about sharing some of the ways we're able to travel through real estate. I want to share about some of our homes and stuff that we have in southern Utah, northern Utah, and Ohio. Some of the things that we've done to be able to make this happen. So anyway, we will show more of that. All right, concert's over. We met 2 different couples. They're just standing just outside the gates, and they're dancing around and stuff. So we invited them on the boat. We were just talking about the best lobster roll, and I told them it was at Thames Oyster House, and they all looked at me like I said the worst thing in the world. And one of the guys is a catering chef for, anyway, they sent lots of other fun stuff around, and they just had lobster rolls, and he brought he snuck away and brought us lobster rolls, and they are
So good.
isn't that good?
Oh, that's
So good.
That's better than Fame's.
You know
Better
what?
than James?
It's
Yeah, it's match.
so I wouldn't say I like warm, but and
Yeah.
they're cold, but they're amazing.
He said it's a perfect picnic food, and
Yeah.
I would agree.
Isn't that great? We have some of our bags packed. We're like ready to go. No, we aren't, but we're getting there, right?
Yep.
So tomorrow we have to go through a job bridge right over here, and it opens every half an hour, so we'll head over there probably at 7:50. Pull off the dock and go through, and the marina that we're staying at is just right about 5 minutes away. So we'll get there, and we have a flight at 3 out of Baltimore. Wish I got to go through this little teeny job bridge. It's smaller than I thought.
We going through there? That looks crazy.
Wowzers. That was tight. There's our guy Carl. He's helping us with everything. He's I'm sure I'll share lots about him. He's awesome. Been helping a lot. I should have showed all of our bags. We have 7. We brought home everything just to do a huge purge on the boat. So we had 7 duffel bags of stuff, and we're even early. We're like 2 hours early.
Oops, sorry.
Can you believe it?
No.
What's wrong with you?
Look at that thing. It's a happy birthday for.
Me.
Look at that. How many calories is that? Guys,
Yeah.
you pumped?
River again.
We can't believe it. We love it here. It's so great. We manage a house that was available to stay in last night in Hurricane, and so we stayed there. It's an awesome place. It sleeps like 14, 15 people and has a pool. Great little place. We're so excited to go see this house. We bought it
A year ago?
about and it's like 5 acres right below this point in Hurricane. So you can see this point from forever away. Anyway, we just did a big remodel on it, and they'll be finishing it up over the next couple of weeks, and we'll be staying there a bit. So we're excited to go see it. Wowzers. So this is our barn. What do you think, guys? That's so cool. So right here we're gonna put a glass garage door, and then over they started doing dirt work for a tennis court. In between here and the tennis court we're gonna do a big turf section, and then eventually we'll build a house somewhere right over there and a pool and stuff. So super cool. It's kind of cool right here. So the barn, and there's a couple RV pads. This is where we think someday we'll put a house. It has this little barn here. Here's the house. Yeah.
Wait, where?
Here it is. Holy cow. Looks so good.
Wow.
There's like shelving all along here. They tore out. There's a huge island that came out here. And then the kitchen. I'm super excited for it. Tile. There's a little bathroom right here. This will bring in light. There's an awning, like a overhang around the whole house, so it doesn't bring in a ton of light. So we added that. Guy that we go to church with, he painted all these doors. He's amazing. What do you think, guys? That's beautiful.
Yeah.
He did such a good job.
Are we redoing the bathtub?
We already did. It's kind of small, huh? Yeah, I wish it was a little bit bigger.
The marble is cool.
Yeah, it's way cool. We're gonna put a little hot tub right here.
Thanks, Colton. How was it?
So cool.
Oh, who's knocking on my window?
This is valet parking, so
Valet parking.
could you get out,
Are you gonna park this thing?
please? Can
Look at this, baby. What else do you have for us, Mom?
Got those butterflies in your belly?
A little bit. Happy birthday! How do you feel?
11?
11?
Feels
Yeah.
11.
What was your greatest memory of being 10?
Crossing the Atlantic or the Mediterranean, maybe? Because my last birthday was in the Med.
Yeah.
Let's see. Congratulations on being 11.
Thanks.
You're a cute boy.
We love you.
Yep.
What? Yeah!
Wow. They are real.
And my shoes. Wow. And a caramello. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
Wow.
What a blessing. This is the best one, Ems.
It's a box. Thank you, Ruby.
Candy.
There's candy in it right now. Oh, cool. Thank you, Ruby.
Put your hand all the way under.
Touch it.
Put it up. What?
Whoa!
What's your birthday wish?
For Mom to go up the chute.
Why?
Because it'll be funny.
Yay!
He knows how to play those birthday cards.
Yeah.
So we are just out at Sand Hollow enjoying Emerson's birthday, and we have a couple from Hungary that are, what was that?
Ben and Lydia.
Ben and Lydia. They're coming out with us.
Our water
I
case,
hate this.
our water case is rolling away.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Good luck.
All in the name of the birthday boy.
Here's inside Flintstone house. It's like 10 degrees cooler in here. It's so nice. People say this is fun.
People do this for fun.
How do you know?
Yeah, whoa. Good time. Whoa. Good time right here. Oh my gosh. Made it.
Good job.
What did I say when I went up the chute?
What did he say?
Oh, shoot.
Oh shit.
Oh. Who's driving this thing?
How old are you?
11.
11! Let's go! Sand Hollow. We'll probably go. Lonnie boys. This is a good birthday lunch.
Yeah.
Look at this beauty.